This presentation is brought to you by Brilliant at Brilliant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. The following is an introduction to the Apple Watch for blind and low vision individuals, presented to you by Brilliant. Please visit our website at Brilliant.org.
Hello guys, I'm Taylor from Brilliant here, and I'm going to make our first tutorial to the Apple Watch. Introduction to Apple Watch. The Apple Watch is a convenient tool from Apple that allows you to do basic tasks like send messages, make phone calls, and tweet using Twitter. I am going to go through a series of tutorials that will show you how to do all three of those things. This will be a 4-video tutorial. The first one is just going to be an introduction, how to use it, the basic tactics, and at the end of this video you should know enough. You don't even have to listen to the other 3 tutorials, because after I show you this, you should be able to get around the Apple Watch, because it is very similar to the iPhone, and guess what? No trouble with typing with VoiceOver. On the Apple Watch, there is no typing involved. So, the first thing off, how to start up the Apple Watch. You may need sighted assistance to help you set up your Apple Watch. But after you set up Apple Watch and you have VoiceOver running and you're ready to start your Apple Watch, tap the face of the Apple Watch by tapping the screen.
Trust this computer? Heading. Your settings and data will be don't trust. Button. Your setting. Don't trust. Button. 7:54 p.m.
And what I did was I rotated the circular side button, which would then wake up the Apple Watch, and it asked me if I wanted to trust this computer. All Apple products synchronize together. It said that it found my MacBook. I swiped right, just as I would for an iPhone, and I selected trust this computer. And now my Apple Watch and my computer and my phone are now synchronized, which then allows me to use handoff to work together with my Apple Watch, phone, and computer. I'm going to tap the watch face again, this time rotate the digital crown. What I find the most is that the screensaver on the Apple Watch is automatic. It differs every time, depending upon where your arm is positioned. When using the Apple Watch, make sure that the circular side button is focused on the right. Plant your arm in one location and keep it there so that the screensaver does not kick in too early for you. I will now wake up the Apple Watch.
7:55 p.m.
Make sure your arm is still this entire time.
7:56 p.m.
Press the dock button
Dock.
and you can have all your recent apps.
Swipe message now playing. Settings.
Scroll through all your things,
Phone. Breathe. Voice record. All apps.
and you have an option for all apps just in case you have another application that it's not displaying that you know is on your Apple
Message.
Watch.
Music.
But
Phone.
I know I pressed the circular button,
7:56 p.m.
and at any point you want it to turn off, you just move your arm. It'll eventually turn off. I'm waiting for the sound, just to hear it. There it is. That sound lets you know that it has been turned off, that you need to tap the watch face
7:56 p.m.
and it will wake up, announcing you with whatever you have focused. By default, it will be on your watch face. If you are using any of the applications, it will default to your last focused item. Now, what I find helpful is that you often try to rotate your arm in a certain degrees. At first, you may have to figure out how to rotate your Apple Watch. There, you do not have to twist your arm in any degree. Your arm will have already been set to where it needs to be. Make sure that the circular side button is on the right side of the watch, or else you will have to rotate your arm so that the button is on the right side. So, If I leave my arm here and I tap the watch,
7:58 p.m.
and then to get to my applications, I push the dock button.
Messages.
And if I press the dock button again,
Watch.
it takes me to my watch face. But I could
7:58 p.m.
go back and press the circular side button,
Watch face.
and I'm back at
7:58
my
p.m.
watch face. So that's just an introduction to the watch. It's not a lot. And again, make sure that your arm is still when using the Apple Watch, or the screensaver will kick in too soon while you are swiping, because that's what happened with my computer. My arm was moving and the screensaver kicked in, and I had to continuously tap the watch to wake it up during my continuous scrolling through the dialog box that pulled up when it asked me to trust the computer. That is the introduction to the Apple Watch. This is not as long a video as it used to be. You may even actually want more videos, but you will get more Apple Watch videos next time.
This has been a presentation by Brilliant at Brilliant.org, where we are bridging the digital divide for the blind. If you like this video, please click the like button. And for more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.